Honorable Cecilia Dapaah, former minister, sanitation and water resources. Asema abeto dwai. Ghana Integrative Initiative. Mo fa na saying, mo hu ne saying.
Yo, Pacho me da say good morning. Na mi tia mo tie fo nyina so. Ye hwa asam na ya adwemu na kakra say nipa ba ko betue nya sika bebrebe sa na egu ni fie na obi tu bi yi mu akopem sika oyi ye na wonhu na kire say pi wo bebia na ewo no eno no eye na kakra say nipa ono na ban ekire yen say yemfa ye sika nkoto bank na yemboa na yentume nko inflation no sa nipa na oma ye DDE na a pension for anka wo hie sika kakra dia tondro wo nyampa na ebiom Bank of Ghana wo pesika foreign currency e di ama edwadifo ni wona wokoto fuel ni ade bre oman yi no se won fa nkoto edumre bi na fuel kire se 14 cedi ni ade 1 liter rezo munya bi na nipa baako ekita bebrebe sa ewo aban a won wo se sa economy yi no sesi ane ye ko ne digital enti obia endi ni sika ewo either ni phone so ananda bank na ye to sa ni pay ye hwa na kire se sika ne ye ne dia sa nya ne dia eno no nya asɛmpa nipa yi oye public officer enti aban ewo se enya asɛm ene ne ka na se ono a wa hwe se ni oye ye ne nkoyi a no wa resign ya na me ne yeda na sie.
Let's look at the response of the president. Omampani abra Madam Cecilia Dapaah de ne krata koma no. Omampani asema wa kan say I have received your letter dated Saturday 22nd July resigning from office as Minister for Sanitation and Water Resources and as a member of the government. It is with considerable regrets that I accept your resignation. And I applaud your loyalty to the image and standing of the government. The work you undertook during your period in government was excellent and productive. And I thank you for your wholehearted contribution and devotion to the progress of government and the nation. This is where the bone of contention is. Ebi Mufi said the president shouldn't have written that. I am confident, like you, that at the end of the day, your integrity whilst in office will be fully established. I wish you the best in all endeavors. Do you find anything wrong with President Kachre? The minister said, or GDA said,
Mpacho, asema we bisami. Me assure say wa wunim say. Senior president nji so di sikoye ne enkoyi. President nim say binu mu atuni din say oye clearing agent. Na president obi so resign. Nipa ni esi ehu sika woni fi a edoso yie na onya akukuduro nso edi nkrofo mu wi a no for court. Today say impunity no atra be careful there no. Na president so you confident in the person say the integrity no e be exonerate na onu wa pass judgment deda. Enti ye wa pass judgment deda. O kire say nipa no onye hwe enti onu a wafa enkrofo no ADICC office ebi to say office of the special prosecutor na edie na obehwe say omo beye. The president has passed judgment. This is a behavior he is becoming increasingly known for, and it is an unfortunate process that he has decided to initiate, and we should all be telling the president that going forward, he should be careful not to make some of these pronouncements because it has disastrous consequences on the fight against corruption.
So, in this case, in this case, calling on the special prosecutor or CID or NIB, with the president's comments, it will amount to nothing.
Oh, what the president has done means he is very sure of the woman. So maybe the president knows where the money is coming from. Or maybe it is the president's money. The president knows where it is coming from. Because if he doesn't know, he will not be so confident that the woman will be exonerated. When the president is superintending over an executive which includes the investigative officials in our institutions, it is a president any more here. And one say, okay, say, maybe a young ABAJ, Oko cast, Oko yeah, didn't a document by president so much. Almost you one no credible and one is a woman on one a lady. A judge on the same thing.
Huh?
Why is it that the president is using a different whip in this case? We know him that he has done some before. And so we expect that the president would have done the same thing. Unless, of course, he's telling us that there's something we all do not know about.
This is Mary Adda no pay me. Okay.